Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah, update on plug power here, ticker PLUG. We have a very, in picture perfect squeeze pattern here. I want to show you here, of course, my drawings in a second, where you can see that it was what was here 100% on the dot, and I expected that already here. You can see my previous videos, but of course I give you here an update based on the chart, and this is not financial advice. Yeah guys, today the stock market is closed, so no trading price action for today, but of course we will see here, in my opinion, some short squeezes. We have a lot of short squeezes in the past months. The market is unstoppable ripping. Even we had here a very red day yesterday. You can see crypto and of course also the stocks, everything sold off yesterday. Yeah, not just one single stock finished here green, but plus 0.9%. So this is of course nothing, guys, but in my opinion, nothing to worry. The bear market is not initiated yet, in my opinion. I think everything is still going higher, and also so is plug power doing. We can see that we had here the, for now, lowest point, not the all-time low, but the lowest point in that correction phase in which we are was here in September 2024. Then recovered from that, and now we want to, of course, know what happens next. I always say, guys, no FOMO, because we have here very reliable chart patterns, and plug power hit my price target here on the dot. So let's enable now the drawings and let's see what the chart is telling us here. So guys, this is my pattern for plug power. So the interesting part is that the main correction, in my opinion, is over, because we have here this very huge trend channel pattern. If you don't know this ticker here, guys, this stock squeezed here. When we see that here, when we zoom out a little bit, plug power was trading at 11 cents. We had here some squeezes back in 2013 and 14, and then you can see plug power start to recover from that 11-cent price range and had its support here at 87 cents before we had this absolute incredible short squeeze here in 2020, 2021, where the peak was $75.49. And since then, since this peak, there was nothing else anymore left for plug power. We had this huge correction here. So this trend channel here has been in control for the price action to the upside. So every time when plug power tried to break out here out of this trend channel pattern, there was a rejection and a sell-off. And then we had this kind of wedge pattern here. In total, it's a wedge pattern where the support has been. And guys, we left that pattern already, which means the main algos which control plug power are done, and we have room to go to the upside, but also of course to the downside. Yeah, if you don't know my channel, guys, my mission is here to educate you in trading. That's of course the main purpose, but also I have here a lot of short squeeze tickers in my pocket. Plug power has short squeeze potential, there is no doubt about that, but it's a completely different stock than the other stocks which I usually trade. That doesn't mean that you cannot make here some nice swing trades or profits, but we have here some tickers with very reliable squeeze patterns, yeah, and it is even possible to predict where the buyers are waiting, the buying algos. I will do the same, of course, for plug power, and it's also possible to calculate when the squeeze could happen. This is this yellow box here, and you can see one of my hot stocks squeezed here 159%, and we hit both targets perfectly. We hit both the buy-in price target was perfect, and of course also the date range where I expected the squeeze to happen was on the dot, guys. I have a lot of tickers here in my pocket. You can check out here my very popular hot stocks. I release those videos every Sunday, but of course also during the week I have some swing trade posts on Patreon, which I do. You can see here my members made already a lot of profit on that. Of course, there is never a guarantee, but I give my best to predict short squeezes. So if you want to check out also here my other hidden short squeeze stocks, then you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Every day new members joining in, and you get a lot of benefits here, which you can see here on the left. If you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link. So guys, let's talk about plug power. I'm very excited, but I think we are not there yet. What I meant by that was a predictable price action. We have this uptrend channel pattern which is supporting the price for plug power here in the long term. So yes, plug power is in an uptrend, even if we dipped down from $75 to $2.60 now. But overall, over the years, over the past 10 years, plug power is in an uptrend, guys, and this uptrend channel here is the key. And we retested here the breakout just yesterday or 2 days here, guys, before yesterday here, you can see that we retested exactly here the top line. This is also what I expected, because we have some open gap here at $3.41. So I could even imagine that we start to squeeze out here a little bit before we may see a correction to the downside. My game plan, guys, this is not financial advice. Yeah, of course it is possible that Plug Power starts to squeeze, that this here has been the bottom and we start to squeeze right now. That is possible. I honestly don't believe that. Why? Because we have here some credo, or I have a credo which says no drama, no squeeze, and the market makers always gets the lowest possible price. For Plug Power, we have here a liquidity zone between $1.92 and $2.97. This green box here is in favor for the bulls, but I want to see one final shakeout, yeah, one drama here that everybody thinks this stock is going down to zero. Maybe, you know, they always, you know, when you see some news or whatever, guys, they always find their reasons why a stock is going up or down. I'm waiting here for the market makers shakeout, and for now Plug Power is in a situation that I think there is not enough drama, guys. We need more drama. We need a huge shakeout if we want to see here a squeeze. This is my opinion and my trading strategy. Please make your own due diligence. The make it or break it price level for Plug Power is $2.26, the red line here. My chart, by the way, never changed, guys. When you see my videos, everything stays the same, because when I identify these chart patterns, I stick to those. And that means, guys, that when Plug Power is trading above $2.26, this is in favor for the bulls. When we come lower than that, this is in favor for the bears. But I personally think that the bottom for Plug Power is very near, and I would like to see that Plug Power comes down to $1.49, that we touch the bottom line here before we may see here a squeeze trigger, or the market makers use even a gap down, you know, to create a bigger shakeout. But in my opinion, guys, this is a very, very welcome dip before we see here some massive price action. The good news is that we retested now twice the bottom line, and yes, we got rejected. This is not good, but don't forget this algo pattern here was over in July 2024. Since then we had just two squeeze attempts here, or breakout attempts, and I think it looks a little bit here like this kind of round bottom pattern. That's why I say I want to see one final shakeout before Plug Power may able here to lift off, and before we see a squeeze. As of course, as long as the market stays bullish. Yeah, we are in an absolute strong bull market here. I had so many squeezes here during the Christmas time. Yeah, everything here, make that a little bit bigger for you guys. So everything squeezed here between 107 and 480%, and for now the market is still squeezing. So I think we will see some continuation of some big squeezes, but if the market will turn bearish, I will let you know here on my channel as well, guys. Yeah, so the price targets for Plug Power, keep that in mind. When the stock is going up to $3.41, we have here one open gap. This is not still a squeeze for me, even if we're leaving this trend channel pattern then a little bit if this happens. But I want to see here a huge breakout to the upside, or as I said, some gap downs to the downside, like here. We already had one gap. When I switch off here for a second the drawings, guys, you can see here the market makers always leave us their footprints. We now have an open gap at $2.94, $3.41, and that's why I think, you know, we will come back up in future. But for the big squeeze, I want to see here some final shakeout for Plug Power, because that could initiate here finally the bulls to step in. We can see that already here, the big green volume candle, something is already cooking up here. Every time when we trade here near to the $2.26 range here, the bulls showing that they are still flexing, and that's why I think we will see here some big upside potential for Plug Power, maybe now already here in 2025. Yeah, guys, that was my update for you. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView. What you see here, this is what this program is called. I use that for all my videos and all my trades. And if you want to copy here the most significant price levels, which you can see here in the scale or in the chart, then you can of course get that program for yourself. I can offer you here a discount link. You can save $15 by using my discount link on the premium tier. This is what I recommend, and when you click here the info icon in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. My friends, that was the update. If you don't want to miss any updates, or if you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I really appreciate that. Also check out my X page, guys. I have a brand new Twitter X account where I also post a lot of information. And yeah, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.